How to fix Snapchat error, which is due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity. Your access to Snapchat has been temporarily disabled. So if you also see this support code, that is SS06, and you are facing such issue, then in that case what you need to first do is you simply have to wait for few hours or so for the system to automatically reset your device activity. Since it's a suspicious activity or login fail attempt, there might be multiple login issue. So first thing what you can do is just head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down and click on apps and just search in for Snapchat application. And once you're searching for that, just head over to its storage option and simply clear all the cache and clear all the data from over here. And finally what you can also do is, since you clear all your data, try restarting your Snapchat application with the new login credentials. And since it's getting you the error for continuous or suspicious activity as well, you may as well click on this forget password and completely reset your account just like that. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.